Welcome! In this video, we are going to look at a number of recommended packages and themes for our code editor, Atom. Packages are to Atom what plugins are to WordPress. They extend the functionality of Atom and give us access to new features, tool integrations, language support, and help speeding up our development process. We'll look at themes at the end of this video, but let's focus for now on packages so that you could appreciate how much they could add to our development environment. There are a number of packages I recommend checking out, and I'll be using a lot of these throughout the rest of this course. In general, they break down into a few basic types. We have our navigation packages, language support packages, tool integration packages, and styling-related packages that are different than themes. When it comes to working with Atom packages, we could search for packages on the website atom.io or from within Atom. This is very similar to the way the plugin repository works with WordPress. You could search for WordPress plugins on wordpress.org, or you could search for them from within WordPress. There are two basic ways to install packages once you find one that you want to work with. You can install them from directly within the settings area of Atom, or you could use the command line. As we go forward and look at a number of the different packages, I'll show you both ways of doing this, and you could decide which one you like the most.